Begin by washing the client's hair with a clarifying shampoo. Rinse and repeat with a second shampoo to be sure to remove any oil and or buildup on the scalp and hair. Refrain from applying any conditioner to the scalp, roots, or surface of the hair. Completely dry the client's hair, paying special attention to the scalp and root area. Once the hair is completely dry, section the hair and make a straight part beginning at the lower center back part of the head. Remove the backing of the white liner tape at the center of the extensions. Place the extensions on the lower part of the part line, approximately a quarter inch from the scalp. Firmly press across the top of the extension to ensure a secure adhesion to the client's hair. The wearer's natural hair will adhere to the extensions automatically at this point. With the end of the ragtail comb, gather the extension hair along with the already attached wearer's hair and lift upward and over. Be sure to check for crossover hair and make sure there's not too much of the wearer's hair adhered to the center. Then remove the backing of the white liner tape off the right securing flap and place flap onto the center part of the extension and onto the wearer's natural hair. Press firmly. Now remove the backing of the left flap and place onto center part as well. Press firmly. Be sure to lay each flap as flat as possible. Flip the newly placed extension back to the natural position and press firmly once again, paying special attention to each corner to ensure it is completely flat and secure. Lightly comb the extension room. Continue this process around the head, including the lower part of the head. However, you want to leave about 2 inches above the nap, free of any extension rows, to allow the wearer to wear their hair up in a ponytail, and for a more comfortable feel. Also, remember not to place the extensions too close to the scalp. A quarter inch from the scalp is a comfortable position for the extensions. Depending on the desired length and thickness, larger sections of the extensions can be applied throughout. However, make sure to apply the rows so that other rows overlap on top, so there will be no bumps or protruding end corners. Continue to move up and toward the top of the crown of the head. Be sure to leave enough and attached hair at the crown to conceal the upper extensions. You want to apply smaller sections or units of the wraparound extensions around the crown and top area. If so desired, bangs can be added by placing a small unit of the wraparound hair extensions at a slight angle on the front of the wearer's hair. Place a small section about 3/16 away from the natural front hairline. Once the desired thickness, look, and/or length is achieved, blend the extension hair with the wearer's hair by razor cutting. Then proceed with styling. Spray the remover solution to the top of the extensions. Allow penetrating for approximately 30 seconds to 1 minute. With the end of the ragtail comb, begin to gently separate the extensions from the wearer's natural hair by inserting the end between the extension unit and the wearer's natural hair throughout the entire section or row. If necessary, respray the removal solution and gently pull away from the wearer's head in a downward motion. Continue throughout. Once all of the extensions are removed, you can reuse and reapply them. Begin by opening each flap, starting with the left flap, then the right. Placing the wraparound flat on the table with the bottom side or attachment facing up and the supplemental hair laying flat on the table. Remove and clean any white liner tape or tape residue that is left on the extension. Now, begin to reapply the white liner tape. Start in the center of the extension and cut the tape at each end. Be sure not to extend the tape onto the left or right flap of the extension. Now, apply the white liner tape onto the right flap. Remember to leave about 1/16 of an inch in between each tape section so that it is easy to remove the white backing for the reapplication. Now apply the white liner tape to the left folding flap and reapply to the wearer's head.